video, I'll show how to cook a Russian пирожки and Kazakh bursaks. Two types of fillings.
For what?
For
pирожки. What kind?
Cabbage
And
mashed potato.
what we need to make first? We need to prepare our dough, right?
Yeah.
And let's just put some 2 spoons of powder.
Our yeast is activated.
Show
Now-
me how it's activated. Oh, like this, yeah.
Yeah.
Now, what we need to do?
Now we need to pour all of this milk.
Yeah, the rest of milk. Add it right now. Do it right now.
Okay.
All of milk.
Oh my.
Then,
Mix everything. Now, all this
what we need to add? What else?
salt.
Salt.
All of salt, yeah. Okay. Now mix it.
Then,
Add this, yeah.
what about sunflower oil?
Okay, all of it, yeah. Looks like syrup.
Mix it.
Mix it now.
And step by step, we need to add the flour.
2 of them, yeah. Oh, I mean, yes, 2 of
Now let's make like this. You don't need spoon. No need spoon. Mix it, Nazar.
Okay. Oh, wow, amazing. Our dough is ready now. Now we need to cover it with the towel and leave it for 1 hour
Where? In warm?
in the warm place. Our dough is raised. Now we need to divide it into the balls and roll it up, and then put some fillings in
each bowl,
in
right?
each bowl. Yes.
Inside each dough. Then we will gonna fry the pирожки.
Yeah, that's right.
Like this.
We will fry our пирожки.
Yeah, let's start.
You need to be careful.
Careful,
It's
yeah.
dangerous now.
How's it going, Nazar?
It's beginning burning. Look at this. Is it amazing?
I'll show how to make Kazakh bursaks. It's a kind of fluffy bread. First, we need to roll out the dough. Then slice it into the pieces, and finally we need to fry it.